since I failed. Come on, stupid cart. Okay, now time to break this window. Wait a minute, what was that? Hello there again. I'm gonna rob the train. What? A kid just. But I'm Thomas and Francis clone. I'm gonna steal everything you have. Oh God! Oh God! Please, God! Please help me! Please help me! I'm getting robbed. Please help! Don't worry, we're on our way. I'm the normal clone here. Come on, let's go to stop that thief before he hijacks the train.
I agree with you. Let's stop him.
Come on, let's just keep going.
I'm on it.
No, don't shoot at me. Who the heck is this time? Oh no, it's Thomas and Fred's. He's a police. Stop hijacking a train. You'll be under arrested. Screw you, everyone. I'm gonna fire. Since I can't do it through the window, I'll do it. Ah! Oh, I'm losing control. I can't stop.
Me too. We stay on the track. We stay on the road. We're not giving up.
Damn it, missed. Oh God. Help me. I'm being hijacked. Calling all police teams. Get there as soon as possible. My evil clone is hijacking a train that had tons of gold on it. Roger that. We're on our way. Yes, they're finally here. Thank God. Where's Vori heating and inflation and blueberry inflation? I like them instead of hating. I meant. Wait, what's that? Oh God, there's so many of the police cars. Ah! What should I do? Oh, I'll shoot them. Leave me alone. Come on. Whoa, he is shooting me. We're not giving up yet. We'll do it all of our might.
Come on, everyone. Let's do this.
Here I am.
Wait, who is that?
Hi, little guys. I'm a box. Today I'll stop to hijack a train.
What? You could? How?
You'll see about that. Hands up, this is the robbery. Oh, shut up. Get out. Whoa. I'll be in this team. I give up. If it gets removed in 2026, I'm done and I'll shoot this train. Please. I could explain. That's it. I'm going to shoot you. Stop right there. Huh? Hijacking a train is not okay. Evil clone, just get out of here. No, you get out of here. I'll shoot you. What but? No buts. It's time for you to die. No, please. Stop right there. Oh, stupid box. Is that you? You're hopeless. I'm going to shoot you.
No, I'm not useless. I'm going to shoot. I'm going to throw you off the train.
Wait, no.
It's too late. I'm going to do it.
No. Oh, whoa. Ow. What was that? Oh, ow. Oh, come on, friend. We got out of police cars, but one more thing. Whoa. Okay. Now it's time. Sir, you have been under arrest for hijacking a train. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. Don't shoot at me. Don't go. I don't want to go to jail.
It's too late. You've been doing something wrong that you shouldn't have to do.
I agree. You're going to jail now. For now on. Wait! No! I got him. Oh, I guess it's time for good luck. Thomas and friends and Boxy, thank you for your help. It was nice knowing you to save me. Anytime, and your train is all okay. Was there a disaster? No, everything's fine. Look at all of the. Everything is fine. They're all going. Okay, we'll better get going now. We'll send my evil clone to jail. Okay. Bye. Oh, and who left this bird here? Hey, move aside. Oh, bye. Oh, let's get going.